KNUST-TEK TV. Experience educational television.
It's unfortunate the volunteering spirit is there now in Ghana. But I think when I was growing up, I think it used to be there. We used to volunteer, we had students associations. When during vacation, small towns, we even try to teach students who are in high school when we find ourselves at the university. Students who came home, we send them to classroom to organize vacation classes for them for free. But unfortunately now, everything is about money. We don't do it for free.
The education course that is talking about diploma in education or postgraduate degree in education so that you become a professional teacher. Now it's good to do that because when you go into that area, you're exposed as to what to do when you become a teacher. You get a lot of experience, a lot of teaching methods, how to handle students at all levels, how to handle teachers, how to handle human beings as a whole. So when you get all these parts, wherever you find yourself, you will do well. You put your education into practice and you'll be exceptional in any area you find yourself.
So you can talk about early childhood education, you can talk about child psychology, you can talk about counseling psychology education, educational counseling. I just mentioned learning analytics. You can talk about educational data science. Because of COVID and online learning, you have instructional designing, which is part of what I do, curriculum development, measurement and evaluation. It's big. There are a lot of things you can do. So it's not just about the teaching in the classroom. Yes, of course, that is the first step. Once you get a degree in education, it exposes you. Then you have to start asking yourself, what am I good at? Or where do I want to go next? You have a degree in education. Okay. Do I want to become an educational assessor? Do I want to do measurement and evaluation? Do I want to become a psychometrist? Do I want to become an educational guidance and counselor? You know, do I want to become an early childhood education?
I like that. Being a teacher does not limit you to only the classroom. But some of us like the classroom. And in the classroom, there are different kinds of students. So, how do you handle students with special educational needs in your classroom? I want to know.
What do you mean by special education needs?
Like the disabilities, children with behavioral disorders and others.
I think this question doesn't go to anyone. Yes.
I think we have schools which handle such students. So it would be better for the child to be taken to that school. Because if you have a class of students and maybe one has that disability, I don't know, we have teachers who have been trained to handle such students.
Please, you mentioned some of the qualities of being a good teacher as honesty, hard work, and then commitment and patience. But I had a personal experience, I have a passion in teaching, so I had a personal experience when I completed SHS. I was in a private school. And I can say sometimes you can have all the patience in the world, but these students have a way of getting to you through some of their actions and then their words, even their gestures. So being experienced teachers all these years, how have you been separating your emotions from teaching in the classroom? Thank you.
It is a practical job. You have to display your practicals and save lives. So when the word go, you have to change your attitude. I know that you have to study so much to be able to answer the questions, and the way you answer the question is also practical.
Thanks so much for sharing the insights. It's been informational for helping us know all the different careers we can have in education. I personally didn't know much about it, and I'm really learning. And thank you so much. much for sitting through our session and how it's really enjoyed ourselves. Special appreciation to our panelists.
Tech TV. Experience educational television.